India cracks down on Pakistan, lays 5-point action after Pahalgam terror attack. Hi, my name is Sneha Biswas and you are watching the Free Press Journal. In a decisive move following the deadly terror attack in Pahalgam that claimed 26 lives, including that of a foreign national, the Cabinet Committee on Security has taken stringent actions against Pakistan. The attack, which Indian intelligence has linked to cross-border terrorist groups operating from Pakistan, triggered an emergency CCS meeting chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The meeting was attended by senior leaders including Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. The outcome: a bold 5-point action plan targeting Pakistan's infrastructure, diplomatic standing and cross-border privileges. At number 1 is suspension of the Indus Waters Treaty. In a dramatic shift in Indo-Pak relations, India has suspended the Indus Waters Treaty, an agreement in place since 1960 that governs the sharing of river waters. This decision is a direct response to Pakistan's continued support to terror networks. The suspension will remain in force until Islamabad ceases backing cross-border terrorism. Number 2. Closure of Atari Wagah border checkpost. India has shut down the crucial Atari Wagah border crossing, halting all movement of people and goods between the two countries. Individuals who cross the border with valid documentation are allowed to return until 1 May 2025. This measure sends a strong geopolitical signal and is intended to tighten border control amidst heightened tensions. Number 3. Cancellation of SAARC visa exemption for Pakistan nationals. India has revoked the SAARC visa exemption scheme for Pakistani nationals. All existing visas under this scheme are now invalid. Additionally, Pakistanis currently in India under SVES have been ordered to leave the country within 48 hours, signaling a firm end to diplomatic courtesies extended under the South Asian regional framework. Number 4. Expulsion of Pakistani military advisors. In a major diplomatic escalation, India has expelled all Pakistani military, naval and air advisors stationed at the Pakistani High Commission in New Delhi. Declared persona non grata, they must leave within a week. India will also reciprocate by withdrawing its own military advisors from Islamabad. Number 5. Reduction of diplomatic staff in Islamabad. India will scale down its diplomatic presence in Pakistan. The Indian High Commission in Islamabad will now operate with only 30 staff members, down from 55. On the ground, the Indian Army and police units have launched a sweeping operation to track down the attackers. As tensions rise, the nation watches in silence, eyes wet, hearts shattered by the weight of loss. That's it for now. Do like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal for more such stories.